4 minutes to go. We're gonna turn on YOLO. Damn, Felix lives on YOLO. Fields for days.
Así es, jefe. Está muy serio.
Que me prometió que iba a haber carnita asada y ya me salió con que no.
Bueno, ese no es el problema. Aquí está la tienda a 2 cuadras. Ahorita podemos ir. Y ahí tengo carbón.
Vamos a verlo. Yo quiero ver lo que vine a ver.
¿El carro?
What's under door number 1?
Ah, nada.
No. Gaby, don't do that. Yeah, bro. When you make money, you don't do anything. Yeah. Just take pictures. Hello. What's going on?
¿Qué está pasando?
Yeah.
Vamos a cambiar.
English, por favor, because subtitles suck.
Nothing major. We're just gonna replace the brake master cylinder. You guys are going to replace my brake master cylinder. This shit sucks. Doesn't brake at all. Also the slave cylinder and the transmission. I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe the clutch line. And what else? Add new fluid. What else? Cuñado.
What else?
What else? Make carnita asada. Great again.
Something like that.
Stay tuned.
Are you gonna? What line did you get?
The flexible one.
The stainless steel.
Stainless. Yeah. I think so.
Okay, so we're gonna take off all the hard line all the way through.
Yep.
Okay.
Tony knew about it already.
Yes, but our subscribers don't know about it.
Oh. Yep. It'll be the flexible stainless steel.
Okay.
Clutch line. And what else?
Very nice.
The brake master. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully the car feels different, because it feels like shit right now.
Okay. What else?
No.
What did you say? Stay tuned.
Pues sí, güey, para que vean el progreso.
Like your primo said, ya llegó el jefe, let's get to work. A ver, primo, ¿qué dilemma nos acabamos de encontrar?
No, que valió.
English.
It was worth Heisenberg. Translation. He ordered a brake master cylinder for his Integra RS, but they gave him a Integra LS.
Who?
The Vatozone place.
The Vatozone.
Yeah, the Vatozone.
So we are stuck. Jesse's making a call. Don Gaby's picking his belly button, making calls.
And he went to his office.
Yes, brake master cylinder for an Integra RS.
So we are trying to locate
a
RS
non-ABS brake master cylinder.
so we can get this car back up and running, because we're screwed at the moment.
We're driving 25 miles.
Over the limit?
Approximately 25 miles to
Distance.
distance. Yeah, distance. So about an hour trip back and forth.
For a master cylinder.
For a master cylinder.
Hopefully they have the right parts we can get Felix's car back up and running, because it's down.
Got it? Secure the package.
Yeah,
Had to buy this little light and some globes. And some
A
gloves.
la verga.
Yeah, 3-pack.
Vámonos. Porque hay pizza.
Hey, you see?
Ya es todo, don Gaby, si se hizo, ¿verdad? Ya era tiempo.
Excited.
Let's get it. Back at it, ¿verdad, primo?
Yeah.
Late night pimping.
Mm-hmm.
Felix went to go return the other master cylinder, right?
Yeah.
And some pizza.
Grab some pizza.
And right now, so far, we already got the. Where do you get the line from? The clutch line?
JHP USA.
Oh yeah,
JHP.
JHP USA. So got the new slave cylinder. See, right?
Yep.
And then the new clutch line routed all the way there. That was pretty easy. As you guys saw, we had to go and take a trip to get that guy right there. But hopefully we get this in, bleed out the whole system, and this car should be back up and running. Right, bro?
Yup, that's right. Where's the 12? Que ya lo conozco como es de delicadito este muchacho. ¿Verdad?
Put a clean bill.
That's a wrap for today, guys. We did a lot. You guys did a lot, not me. Got the grown brake master cylinder, so we had to drive like 30 something minutes to find the right one. Then you guys installed it, lead the system, the clutch slave cylinder as well, the clutch line, the stainless steel, new fluids. Just chilling for a little bit. We had some pizza. What else? Aquí el cuñado anda still putting in some work on the Honda racing band. Stay tuned for more updates on the car.
Alright, ya lo vieron.
Suspension work coming in. And what else? More maintenance. Hopefully maintenance on both cars.
You still haven't seen this one.
Yeah.
Still gotta show that car, pero he doesn't want to take it out.
And hopefully hit the track with the boys.
Hola, primo.
Yeah.
You guys heard it here. If he doesn't make it to November 29, you guys already know.